never give your dog half of what they want. Why would you give your dog half of anything? We don't want your dog to be sad. Maybe a half of a toy. Not half of a treat. No dog wants half of their food. That's why you shouldn't give your dog dry kids. Why would you give your dog half of anything? Magnus, right here, ball. Oh my gosh. Why would you give your dog half of anything? You're so stupid. You won't know I mess up. Take two. We don't want your dog to be sad. That's why you should get dry kids. I mean, not get. Oh my god. Stop.